Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore an essential feature for any visually captivating app, color picking in Flutter. So whether you are building a dynamic UI or adding some customization for your users, mastering color selection is a game changer. I will walk you through everything step by step so you can easily implement this in your own project. Before we dive into the color picker feature, let's start with the basic. From here, we will build out the specific features like color picking. So here we are just creating a simple basic structure of our app. So I just create a simple app bar with a text as a title and use that color, the green color as I defined earlier. So here I am creating another file for blocky color. As you can see, this type of color picker we will create here. So I just created a stateful widget for blocky color, and here I am returning elevated button. It requires true unpressed and child. So we will use the text as a child for elevated button. Here I am calling that blocky color on style for decorating the elevated button. So elevated button dot style from alright elevation will be so this widget takes will takes two required parameters, picker color which holds the current color and on color change which handles the color change. Alright. So from here I will pass the color and the method on change color. Here I will define a wide type of function which will change the color when the user select a color. Alright, so I will pass that method here. Well, and that passed color I will use as a background of the elevated button. So you can see that the green color appears here and shadow color with opacity 0.1. Now let's dive into the actual implementation of the color picker. So for this, use this package and I am installing with terminal. So you can see the package is installed successfully, as you can see. Alright. So when the this button is pressed, show dialog function is triggered, which display color picker in an alert dialog. We use the block picker widget from the Flutter picker color picker package to allow user to pick a single color. The selected color is reflected in the button's background. So here, block picker widget, which is from the Flutter color picker package, and it needs two parameter: picked color and unchanged color. Alright, so you can see this is work fine. The color is changing correctly. We also ensure that the button style changes dynamically based on the selected color, adjusting the text color for better visibility thanks to use white foreground function. Multi-selection color, which lets users select more than one color at a time. So here I am creating a new file for multi-selection. So we introduce another elevated button for multiple color selection. When pressed, a similar dialog appears, but this time it contains the multiple choice block picker, which lets users select more than one color at a time. So you can see here we created the same elevated button. It will show a alert dialog. Alright, the text as a title for the alert dialog. It needs two parameters, so we will pass these. Alright, so I will call it from here, and I will pass these arguments. So it showcases a standard color picker with a slider. When you press the button, an alert dialog will open the color picker widget. It lets users select a color using a slider. This picker is highly customizable, allowing control over elements such as alpha transparency and the type of colors model used. In this case, HSL. You can also adjust the picker size and shape for a more tailored user experience. Alright, so here we will call the slider color picker, and we will pass these two parameters from here. Alright, so I think it is done, but we are decorating it more. So here we are using a dialog box and returning here alert dialog as we did the same. This button brings up a unique huing color picker inside an elegantly curved dialog, and this picker lets user pick color from a ring and even includes an optional hex input field for those who want to fine-tune colors precisely using hex codes. So here we are just decorating the alert dialog and using a single child scroll view. Now we are using hue ring color picker, and it needs two parameters. These features provide a balance of visual selection and precision. Alright, okay, but but we need to change the name of the class we do here. Alright, now it will work fine. Okay, so it's work fine, and you also use your hex code. This work fine. So next we have the slider only color picker. As the name suggests, this picker uses slider to choose colors, and it's a minimalistic and space saving option that works well when you want to offer color selection in a compact form without taking up too much screen real estate. So far, every time we are just returning an alert dialog and decorating it with a different form. Nothing is difficult. We just use the package. Sorry, we just use the widget, a different widget every time with the same alert dialog or just decorating it differently. Finally, the last button introduces an advanced HSV color picker that includes a custom text field for manual input. Users can either choose a color directly from the picker or input a hex value into the text field. This picker supports customized interaction, allowing users to use hex values. And I think it's perfect for advanced users who want complete control over their color choices. So you can try this one, and I think this will be well for your project as they include a text field allowing user to use the hex value. Okay, fine. So it will work fine. That wraps up our tutorial on implementing various color pickers in Flutter. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and are excited to try these features in your own project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel for more Flutter tutorials and tips. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any question or ideas for future videos, and I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.